Welcome back to Lynx Quiz. Today we've got a fun range of quiz challenges, Nature Edition, across 3 levels, easy, medium and hard, that'll keep you entertained. You'll have 40 questions and 15 seconds for each one, so think fast. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. Question 1. Can you find the odd one out? It's over here. This palm tree has green all over. Find the odd one out. Did you find the imposter snake hidden in plain sight? Can you find the odd one out? This bear was hidden in plain sight. Did you get it? Can you guess the insect by emoji? Butter plus fly equals butterfly. Did you get it? Memory challenge. Memorize the positions of the emojis. Which number was the spider? It was number 2. Did you get it? Can you find the odd one out amongst these spider webs? This spider web is blue amongst all the other spider webs. Did you get it? Find the odd one out. This ladybug is missing a few spots. Could you spot it? Find the one not repeated. It's the waterfall image. Could you spot it? Guess this shadow. What is this insect? It's a honeybee. Could you get it? Can you find the odd one out amongst these rats? There's a mouse hidden amongst the rats. Did you spot it? Find the odd one out amongst these peaches. This peach was facing a different direction from the rest of the peaches. Can you find the odd one out amongst these grapes? This bunch of purple grapes had a green grape in it. Can you name this old object? It's a Tamagotchi. Did you get it? Find the odd one out. This apple has 2 leaves instead of 1. Find the odd one out amongst these mushrooms. This mushroom is missing a few spots. Memorize the positions of the images. Where was the waterfall? Position 6. Did you get it? Can you guess the zoomed in vegetable? It's a red cabbage. Was it too obvious? Find the odd one out amongst these bugs. The colors on this bug are mismatched. Find the odd one out amongst these strawberries. Did you find this imposter strawberry? It looks the same, but it's not the same. Find the odd one out amongst these tomatoes. This tomato is looking in the wrong direction. Did you catch that? Can you find the odd one out amongst these broccolis? Another vegetable facing the wrong direction. Did you get it? Find the odd one out amongst these mushrooms. Yet another vegetable facing the wrong direction. Did you spot it? Find the one not repeated. It's over here. Pretty hidden. Did you get it? Can you guess the shadow? It's a nest. Did you get it? Find the odd nest out. This nest has 4 eggs instead of 3. Did you spot that? Can you find the odd one out amongst these fishes? Here's an imposter fish. Looks the same but slightly different. Did you catch that? Can you guess the shadow? It's a puffer fish. Was it obvious? Can you find the odd puffer fish out? The fins on this one are slightly different. Did you catch it? Find the odd one out. This was an easy one. There's a clove in the middle of these maple leaves. Can you guess the food by emoji? It's maple syrup. Did you catch that? Find the odd one out amongst these umbrellas. The rain on this umbrella looks slightly different. Did you catch that? Find the odd one out amongst these spiders and spider webs. This spider is not like the rest. Find the odd one out. The colors on this flower are all bright. Did you catch that? Can you guess the zoomed in animal? It's a sheep. This was a tricky one. Did you get it? Unscramble the flower. What is this flower? Jasmine. Was it too obvious? Which one does not belong? Look closely. It's the parrot. It's the only animal that can fly. Guess the animal by the emoji. It's a hamster. Did you get it? Can you find the odd one out amongst the whales? This whale has a heart above it. Did you catch that? It's riddle time. I touch the sky but never fly. I stand still yet rise high. What am I? It's a mountain. Can you guess the sea animal by the clues? Sharp teeth, deep sea, head torch. It's an anglerfish. Did you catch that? Well, that's it for the video, guys. For more fun quiz challenges, watch the next video.